What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. I wanted to bring you guys outside because it's just so nice today, and I wanted to share a little bit of my backyard's nature with you guys. It's wild. It's like a wild rainforest or a tropical forest. It's really, really pretty back here. But yeah, you guys, I wanted to just do a quick little Dollar Tree haul. These are items that I've gotten from 2 different trips. My first item I got is this pod foot file because yes, it's definitely that season to get your feet ready for the beach and the pool and all those pretty sandals. So this is going to be my first time trying one of these. And I also found this, and this was brand new in my store. This is the Lollipop Intense Shimmering Eye Color. It's like a loose powder. And I have a few other colors of these, and I think they're really, really pretty. Again, that's by LA Colors. Now, I recently received this box from LA Colors. Thank you so much, LA Colors. It was totally a surprise. And you guys, these are all new nail polishes that you more than likely can find in places like Family Dollar and possibly Walgreens. But Dollar Tree also sells LA Color polishes. These are all so pretty. These are all the gel polishes. I love the pink. It's so creamy and pretty. The blue, the purple, the green. I can't wait to try these out. I love the green in this pack, the orange, the yellow, and this is a different pink. So as you guys can see, the pinks are a little bit different from each other. But yeah, you guys, this is their summer collection. Again, thank you, LA Colors. These are the LA Colors Gel Craze Nails Gel-like polish with extreme shine and no UV light needed. I love these. I cannot wait to use these. Okay. I thought these were super pretty, and I really love the little mermaid print in the middle because I'm in love with iridescent prints. This is something that I've been seeing for years and I've never tried it. It's by Diamond Cosmetics. It's a super dry, quick dry, clear polish, so I figured I'd give it a try. I also got this super cute journal, No Problema. I totally didn't need another journal, and I keep telling myself that, but I really couldn't leave this one there. I got a pair of scissors too because I love using these in my kitchen. I use them everywhere and for everything, and this is another item that's a repeat buy, but I really love these organizer cases. They're super sturdy. Oh, hello there, Mr. Wasp. These are super sturdy and good, and I knew that I wanted to get another one of these, but now I can't remember what I wanted to get it for, but I'll find something to use it for. This next item actually came from Family Dollar, but since it's their sister store, I figured you guys wouldn't mind seeing it. This is a Gucci inspired headband. This cost me $3. I love it so much. They also have Gucci inspired wristlets, and they have Gucci inspired sneakers at Family Dollar for, I think the sneakers are $10, the wristlet is $6, and this Gucci inspired headband again was only $3. Look what I got, and I've had these for a couple weeks, but they're so adorable. My store had 4 different varieties, but I really love this one. I actually picked out 2. I think it's going to be so cute for Birdie's earrings. I'll probably put one in a little bag with some of her birthday things because her birthday is coming up soon. Okay, which one do you think I got, you guys? Put in your bids. Place your bids. Which other one did I get? Yes, the blue one. I love the blue one so much. I think these are so adorable. What a cute deal for just $1. I have another bag of things, and you guys, I actually got these for free because I've been couponing for the past 2 to 3 months, and I had $1 off Tylenol for these, and I had 2 coupons, so I actually got these for free. These were the portable Go Packs. You only get 6 caplets, but it's extra strength, and I figured, hey, why not? They were free. I only paid the tax on them, so I thought that was a really nice deal. The next thing I got for free were these airborne boosters. They're calling them Beta Immune Boosters. I got 4 of them for free with my coupons, and it's in the flavor Zesty Orange. And it says crafted blend, vitamin C, and 6 vitamins and minerals. So they were free. I figured why not? I like Airborne. I've had Airborne in the past. So I figured I'd get a few of those. And I have one more thing to share with you guys. Yes, it's something else that was wrapped up and pretty. And I'm really, really happy I found this right here. My store had the other one that had the flowers on it, but I just got this one. I like this one the best. And it says Greenbrier on the bottom. These are so cute. Sort of on that little shelved area near the seasonal items. I might have to get another one just so I can be symmetrical when I, put these up in my room or in the kitchen or living room or wherever I decide to put these. I might have to get one more. I figured I'd add this to my haul because it just showed up in the mail. This is a little box from Pinch Me. They sent me a little box to share with you guys. So let's take a look and see what we got in here. This is the Pinch Me Influencer Club box. I got this little Clairol Root Touch-Up Concealing Powder. I've never tried anything like this before. I don't think I'm there yet, you guys. I don't really think I need it. But I have seen a lot of touch-up products in the stores. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So this is the touch-up powder. And I guess you just use the little applicator. And you can touch up, it says temples, refresh roots, and define brows. So that came in the box. Oh, I've been hearing a lot about the native deodorant. I definitely want to try this. Coconut and vanilla. I also received this Aquifer Ointment Body Spray. This is definitely something new. I've never heard of anything like this. Immediately soothes and relieves dry, rough skin all day. Easy to apply. That's nice if you have a cut or a scratch and you really don't feel like rubbing it with ointment. Just spray it on. Ooh, and I'm always hearing about this. I actually have one of these. I got one in a beauty box once and I really, really like it. This is the Lumify, and this is typically pretty expensive in the stores. It whitens your eyes. It gets rid of like redness. I got these little cookie squares baked in France. One is milk chocolate. They're just like tiny little cookies, and this one is dark chocolate. What is this? Ester C. What is it, you guys? It's a immune support, kind of like a, what's it called, you guys? I just got it, and I just showed it to you guys in the haul. You know, one of those for your immune system. I can't even think of it right now. A $50 gift card off HelloFresh. $25 off your first 2 boxes. And I was going to say last but not least, but no, there's 2 more items in the box. Compeed Cushioning, Comfort, and Confidence Advanced Blister Care, and there's 2 in the package. Last but not least, I got this little Umbra Sheer Physical Daily Defense. This is a broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen with 20% zinc oxide. Perfect. Thank you so much, Pinch Me, for sending this my way. Again, you guys, nothing that I've shown in this video has been sponsored. Big thanks to Pinch Me. Big thanks to LA Colors. And of course, you guys know the Dollar Tree items I bought myself. But yeah, this box is really cute and fun, and I'll share the link down in the description box. It's totally free for everyone. So if you guys want to start getting free samples, just click on the link below. So yeah, you guys, that's my haul. It ended up being super, super fast. I wasn't planning on it being that fast. But yeah, I think my favorite items, I'm going to say this is probably one of my favorite items. And another one of my favorite items would be these little guys. I just love these so much. I love the sprinkles, and it's just really, really well done. This would also be super cute as a little prop if you're on Instagram a lot and you want to do something like foodie or dessert or donut themed. I think these are super cute. Even though these didn't come from Dollar Tree, I have to say I am super excited about trying these. You guys let me know down in the comments if you've tried any of these gel polishes from LA Colors. If you have, how good are they? How long do they last? How many coats do you need? I just love nail polish so much. I don't know what color I'm gonna try first. What color do you guys think I should try first? I mean, because all of them just look so tempting. I love the pinks, but I love the yellow too. I don't know, you guys. I'll let you know when I'm wearing them and how I like them. Again, thank you LA Colors for sending these my way. And thank you so much, you guys, for checking out my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys liked coming outside with me. I'm thinking about filming another video outside in a different part of my yard. I'm gonna be sharing some swimsuits that Coop she sent me, and just letting you guys know about a brand that I really love. It's not sponsored or anything, but the swimsuits are amazing. So hey, you guys, that's it for me and my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, show me lots of love by hitting the thumbs up button. Share with me down below in the comments. And if you haven't yet, hit that little button, subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.